welcome back to my channel. So for today's tutorial, since Christmas is coming soon, I'm gonna be teaching you how to make DIY Christmas cards. So as you can see, I have a couple here, but I'm gonna be teaching you how to paint each and every single one of them. This is gonna be a 3-part tutorial, so I hope you can stay tuned and visit all 3 videos. So without further ado, let's start.
For the second tutorial, I actually sketched the snowman prior to painting, but since this isn't a sketching tutorial, I decided to fast forward this video a little bit so we can proceed with the painting. I know my snowman sketch can be a little challenging to see, but there's a very big reason behind it. Pencil marks when it comes to watercolor painting is a very big no-no. Because once you've painted over a pencil, there's actually a layer of gum arabic over that pencil mark, which can make it very hard for you to remove. One approach you can actually use is to erase the pencil as much as possible before you start painting, or, like I said, you have to lightly draw or sketch on top of your paper. The technique that we will be using for painting the entire body of our snowman will be the watercolor pulling technique. This is just basically pulling in color. Whenever you apply a dry or a more saturated stroke, you can actually pull from that stroke with just basically water. This technique is actually very great to use whenever you want to show form or maybe a part of an edge of your drawing. So as you can see, I am pre-wetting the part of our snowman wherein I will put the paint later on. So for the face and body of our snowman, we will be using the shade of blue by Winsor & Newton Cotman. Please check out my description box below where I will put the description of each color that I will be using. As you can see, I started painting the edge of our snowman by using a more saturated color of blue. Then I will add a little bit of water and I will start to pull the colors in. This will actually give the edge of our snowman a more defined look. So you can just keep on repeating the process of watercolor pulling. You can add more water or you can add a more saturated color of blue and then you start pulling in the colors until you get the desired look that you like. Now that we are done with the head and the body of the snowman, we can now proceed to painting the hat. So for the hat, I will also use the same color, but if you wish to use a different color, you may do so. Now we will use this color bright red that I have, also by Winsor & Newton Cotman, and we will start painting the scarf that we have drawn earlier. Now that we are also done with the scarf and the hat of the snowman, we can now proceed to painting its carrot nose. So as you can see, I am mixing yellow and red so I can get the desired shade of orange that I want. If you want your orange to look a little bit lighter, you can add more yellow, and if you want your orange to get darker, you can add more red. So as you can see, I changed my brush to a smaller size. This time, it's size 0 round brush by Winsor & Newton, and I will also be using another brush for detailing, which is also a size 0 but a different brand by Scrivo Professional Series. So to finish off our snowman painting, I decided to add a few buttons before painting the eye and then the mouth of our snowman. So to make our snowman painting more complete, I decided to add another detail. I'm going to be painting a small horizontal line underneath our snowman to make it look like the snowman is sitting on top of the snow. Again, we will use the same technique for watercolor pulling. You can add a more saturated color of blue and then add a little bit of water to pull in the color.
So congratulations in finishing another holiday card. So again, I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and then of course, please comment down below. I hope you can stay tuned for more video tutorials in the near future. So again, till next time, bye!